Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are diving into a powerful truth that can change your life. What you feel, you attract. This simple concept is the secret behind why some people seem to magnetically drawn success, happiness, and good energy their way. And the best part, you can learn how to do it too. Have you ever noticed how your mood shapes your day? When you wake up feeling positive, things tend to flow better. But when negative creeps in, challenges seem to pile up. What if I told you that these feelings aren't just random, but actually signals you send to the universe to attract certain experiences? Here's the deal: everything you feel sends out an energetic frequency. This frequency attracts experience that match it. Feeling joyful, confident, and grateful sends out a vibe that invites more joy, confidence, and gratitude into your life. On the other hand, if you worry, fear, or angry dominate, you tend to draw more of those feelings. This is why feeling good is more than just a fleeting emotion. It's a powerful tool to shape your reality. But it's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about consciously choosing to focus on feelings that empower you and uplift you. Your feelings act like magnet. They bring people, opportunities, and situations that resonate with your emotional state. If you want to attract success, peace, or love, start with cultivating those feelings within yourself. First, this shifts your mindset and your actions, which naturally brings better result. Here are actionable steps. Start applying this today. Become aware of your feelings, thought throughout the day. Catch yourself when you are feeling negative. Shift your focus intentionally. It could be as simple as listening three things you are grateful for. Visualize what it feels like to have the success, peace, or happiness you desire. Use affirmations daily to reinforce these positive feelings. Take inspired actions, feels guide you, but your actions build your future. Remember, this isn't a magic or wishful thinking. Feelings set the vibration, but your actions create the path. So, use your feelings as a compass to guide you towards what you want and support it with effort. So, today, choose to feel good, believe in your power to attract what you desire, and watch your life start changing. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Comment below what you are feeling, focusing on the right now to attract better experience. Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay focused, and remember, you truly attract what you feel. See you in the next video.